We got a nice hot pan just the way we want it. We're going to brown our meat. Some would say sear. That's exactly what we're doing. Oh, yes. Oh, this is wonderful. Season it nicely. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Season that nicely. Today, we are cooking ground beef with potato and basil. All right, let me just pour some of this off. It's getting that juice there. Let me pour this out. We're getting the color that we need. It's browning. Let me see, mixing this together. Okay, this is what we want. Look at that. You see that brownness there? That's what we want. We want that. All right, we're gonna put this on the side. Beautiful. Using the same pan, we are gonna saute our onion. All right. Gonna saute everything. And here, this is minced fresh basil stems. A lot of flavor in here. Absolutely. This is gonna release and give you some wonderful flavor. Bring all those flavors together. This is what we want, sauteed nicely. Look at that. This is what you want. This is beautiful. Now we're gonna add our wonderful diced potatoes. Look at this. Bring that right in. Bring that right in. Beautiful. Now we're gonna add our beef broth. Just get that in there. Wonderful. We're gonna add our tomato sauce. Oh yes. Yes, look at that. Wonderful rich tomato sauce. We just mix that in, combine that nicely. Bring that together. Put your chili powder in. Get your smoked paprika. We are going to simmer this for a good 5 to 7 minutes, everybody. Let this simmer. Getting the potatoes nicely al dente. Not too soft and not too hard. All right. Here we go. This is what we want. Wonderful. Now we're going to add our brown beef and fold it in. Look at that. Just add our brown beef. Look at that. That rich flavor. That's what we want. Let's fold it in. Fold it in. Fold it in. Oh, wow. Okay, you just mix this up. Look at this. Here you have it. Ground beef with potato and fresh basil. Until next time, enjoy cooking with Al.